What's up, guys? Aaron Productions behind the scenes here, and I'm finally getting on to making another video, which I'm glad to be doing because new system test 1 is kind of on its way, yet it's kind of not. I still have to get another ANN 80, which I wanted to do for a while, but the one that I was supposed to get, didn't come. It's not like that. I just wasn't able to order it for some reasons. But hopefully I'll get that soon. But I'm finishing up on installing all my SMB 300 back boxes. So it looks like that. And that. Here's the one. As you can see, the thing runs inside and runs out. I could choose from my hole saw things. This one has a square wire mold thing on it. This one does also. And I don't have an SMB 400 or whatever, 300 on the box in here, because it's a dual combination box, which, okay, when I zoomed in, my camera froze. I did get a new speaker, but that's outside, and I'm not going outside. I got a Control 23 on the table there. And I got a new amp. This one's a 40 watt amp. So I have to have a separate Bluetooth module, and it doesn't have a switch, so I put my own on there. I'm probably going to take the back box off because I have a regular single gang box for this, but I don't have a switch plate. Outside, same speaker. Still have the same alarms. Actually, I'm not sure if I showed the one that I added, but I'm not going to show that. Outdoor pull station monitor module, which everything just goes outside. Really should add surge protection, but it's on the house wall, so I'm not too concerned about lightning. But I obviously have, I bought a new surge protector, which I'll show down here. Which also, I originally had LEDs up here that would flash, but it's not supported anymore. So here's my new surge suppressor, Ditech DTK 120 HW. I guess I'll do it upside down, which my phone froze again, which is weird. Alarm terminal cabinet, everything up here is the same. This is going to be receiving a back box, and obviously over here definitely needs a back box, so the wire bundle over here. This one that I have in here does not need one because it's flush mount, so it doesn't need a back box. Or it doesn't need a back box on the surface. I mean, oh, that screw is coming out. I'll fix that after. I'm not sure if I ever showed this, but I switched out my newer BG12LX for the older version because I liked it better. System all normal, which is expected. Oh, I had my drill die on me, which was horrible. I got this Milwaukee drill for my for Easter, or I forget what holiday, to be honest. And it's only been a few months since Easter, and it broke. And so I was just screwing in some conduit straps, and which no, I wasn't using it for conduit, but the drill just, I don't know, it worked fine. I bring it upstairs and I try and like undo the chuck with the drill on reverse so I could take my bit out, and the drill doesn't turn on. I look at the battery and it's really hot and it smells like smoke. It still does. And this was like a week ago, or probably not, maybe 5 days ago. But the battery is fried, which if I plug it into the charger, it'll say it's charging, but that flashing light means that it's not taking a charge. So, put that up there. If we take a look here, slide the drill in, absolutely nothing, and it probably just killed the battery as well. Because the battery does hold like enough to turn on the LEDs, but other than that, it doesn't really do anything. But I got a new drill, which is DeWalt, which is not as good as the Milwaukee, I'll have to say that. I hate to, but it isn't. So it came with 2 batteries, which is nice. So I'm gonna have to redo this charger up here because it's kind of like falling off the wall. But geez, come on. Can't demonstrate it because it's freaking not going on the thing. Okay, there we go. So it's charged. I might get a dual charger for that. But here's my new drill. I've always had this, but it's brushless. It was $99 on Amazon, which is less than the battery. Here's my Milwaukee DeWalt bag. I might actually use the DeWalt bag because I use my Milwaukee to store other tools that I have. But yeah. Control 28, I have a sub down here, but I plan on getting a JBL Control 28S, which I didn't even know they made a version of that speaker up there that would have just a subwoofer, which it kind of looks like the Control 30. If we take a look outside, I have my new speaker on behind there. I don't want to zoom anymore. 25s, 25 under there, and 2 23s under there. Well, then there's 5s on these 2 insides, and a 23 and a CM200. I think that's what it's called. I got a new detector this week, which this is the Acclimate detector AD355, which is really nice. Here's all the modules and I4. But I'm not gonna give away like other stuff, but smoke detectors, just like whatever. And the BG12s, which everybody knows that you have to have that. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, I guess. So thanks for watching. Peace out.